Put on your derby hat and sip on this easy mint julep. Super simple, a Kentucky Derby staple. We are sipping on this all summer long. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making an easy and classic mint julep. This is a staple at the Kentucky Derby, but it's also fun to serve at a spring brunch or Easter or even Mother's Day. You can mix it up with different flavors, or you can serve it classic style like we're making today. To make your mint julep, you're going to need bourbon, that is the most important part, some crushed ice, simple syrup, or you can use like a really super fine sugar, some mint, and club soda. So I have some other options here. I have some flavored seltzer, or you can use like Spindrift. I have a grapefruit Spindrift here, also a sparkling water option. You can definitely mix this up and make it super fun. Also, you can add fruit when you're muddling your mint. It's so easy to like make your own signature cocktail. So we're going to start with a healthy dose of mint, and we're just gonna pop this into a glass. And so you just want to take a couple mint leaves and tear them up a little bit. And then we're going to just put some simple syrup into the glass. You don't want to use like a regular granulated sugar because then you're going to have a little bit of sugar in your drink. It won't really melt too much when you make the cocktail. But simple syrup works really well because then you don't have to worry about granulated sugar being in your drink. So you just kind of want to take your muddler, and usually a muddler will have like this little rigid end, and that's going to break up your leaves of your mint, and that releases the oils into that sugar. And we'll just do that for a little bit until they look like super green. They start to darken. You know that they're bruised enough and they're releasing a lot of oil. Plus you can smell it's super minty. And we'll do the second glass and add some mint leaves to that as well. All right, and to that we're going to add some bourbon, about 2.5 ounces. You can pull back if you don't want it super alcohol-y. And we're just gonna give that a little stir. Now we're gonna fill both glasses with crushed ice. And if you don't have an ice maker that has crushed ice or this pellet ice, you can put your ice cubes into a Ziploc bag and just hit them like with a mallet or like a rolling pin and just crush it up. But you want it like super full of ice. I'm getting ice all over the countertop. And it's really helpful if you chill your glasses first. So chill your glasses and your bourbon and your simple syrup, and then your ice won't melt so quickly. And then we're just gonna take some of this regular club soda or seltzer you can use, really. There are not too many rules here. I'm sure a mint julep purist would disagree, but it's how we make it here. We watch a lot of derbies at home. Someday we will get there in person. And then you're just going to garnish it with some mint and be super generous with your mint garnish here. And that's it. That is your mint julep. And so I'm going to take a sip, of course. It is refreshing and light with just like a hint of the bourbon. It's not like overpowering. It is so good, and it's the perfect summer cocktail. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.